So I am sure all of you already heard the news. The verdict came back in the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial, and Johnny Depp was victorious. The jury awarded him $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages, which were then lowered to $325,000 for a total of $10,325,000. In a surprise twist, the jury also found one of Amber Heard's claims to have merit. She won a $2 million verdict against Johnny Depp because Johnny Depp's lawyer a few years ago came out and said that one of the scenes that Amber Heard arrived at was a hoax, basically said that she lied. So she won $2 million. Johnny Depp won $10,325,000. If you offset those, it's a total award, an aggregate award for $8,325,000 for Mr. Depp against Amber Heard. Ouch, that's gotta be a kick in the gut. I find a couple of things to say here. I find it a little strange that they found in favor of Johnny Depp, which essentially means that they believe that Amber Heard was a liar. But then they also awarded Amber Heard $2 million because Johnny Depp's lawyer called her a liar. That is very interesting. This jury apparently had no problem finding that people were lying in this situation, and they took a broad definition of what defamation and falsehood is. So that's an interesting little twist, a bit of a contradiction. I feel like if you really parse the facts, you can say that it isn't. But again, they found Ms. Heard to be a liar, but then said that when Johnny Depp's lawyer called her a liar, he was defaming her. Bit strange there, but folks, that just tells you what can happen with jury trials. They can be largely unpredictable. Now, most of the media, a lot of people were on board saying Johnny Depp was going to win this case. They were right. I took the opposite stance. I thought Amber Heard was going to win, not because I found her to be credible, but because I thought when it came to defamation, that the jury was going to take a more narrow view of exactly what defamation is and say, well, you know, she made these statements, but it's difficult. The burden of proof is on the side of Johnny Depp for us to say for sure that she defamed him. And I thought that she was going to win in that sense, given the length of the relationship, the back and forth that happened between them. And I really thought that if they took any piece of her story or the story that was told as true, almost any part of it, one simple instance of abuse, that they could find against Mr. Depp, but they did not. A bit of a contradiction there with granting Amber Heard some money, but hey, the jury can do what the jury wants to do. Congratulations to Mr. Depp. You know, Ms. Heard doesn't, you know, she leaves here with $2 million offset. Very interesting case, a lot of evidence. I also thought the jury would deliberate longer than they did, but they did not. Hats off to the work of Mr. Chu and Camille Vasquez, fantastic attorneys who just did a really great job of grabbing the frame and controlling the frame throughout, with Camille Vasquez, her cross-examination being perhaps the highlight of the case. Amber Heard really just couldn't come off as credible. The jury didn't ultimately believe her. That's what I think here. So that's why things panned out the way they did. I will take my loss. You know, I tell people I've won cases that I thought I was going to lose. I've lost cases that I thought I was going to win. I still have a winning record overall on my predictions. I went against the grain here. Perhaps I shouldn't have. I'll take it on the chin. I have to say, overall, I thought that Ms. Heard was not a very credible witness, and it appeared that she fabricated certain things just for this particular trial. My beef was with the law specifically. That's why I thought Ms. Amber Heard was going to win, because I thought, you know, legally there, they had the Depp team had a lot to deal with, and I just didn't think that they were going to be able to deal with all of it. But the jury bought that she was basically a liar in all instances, and therefore Mr. Depp won. So I will take my loss. However, I still have a winning record. I still have got more trials right than I have wrong. So I'm going to roll with that. I'm going to continue to make my predictions. I hope you continue to watch and stick with me, okay, because I'm going to give you unprecedented legal analysis and legal news, and I will admit when I am wrong. And I'll also go out on a limb to make a prediction there. You know, everybody was leaning one way there except for me. So I'll tell you how I really feel. So come back here and you get my authentic feelings. Sorry that the video's a little bumped here, but I wanted to get this in right away. All right, thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my analysis of the trial overall. I hope you also learned something in the process. Tune back into Joe the Lawyer. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. All right, everybody. Thank you very much.